Hello students, let us discuss oxoacid of sulfur. Sulfur forms a number of oxoacids. Only few of these have been isolated as free acids. So let us discuss some important oxoacids of sulfur like sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid and peroxidize sulfuric acid. The structure of these are important for us. Now let us discuss the oxidation state of sulfur in these. When you find out the oxidation of sulfur in sulfurous acid, that here it is +4 oxidation state, here +6, here +6, +6. That means in the sulfurous acid, the oxidation state of sulfur, it is +4, but in the sulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid and even in the peroxidized sulfuric acid, the oxidation state of sulfur is +6. So let us learn the structure of these. First of all, sulfurous acid and sulfuric acid. When you look at the structure here, sulfurous, the formula is H2SO3, sulfuric H2SO4. Central atom is sulfur here. Here there is one lone pair and one double bond O. But in the place of lone pair here, there is two double bonds O are here that you can distinguish in these two structure. And there is two OH here and here also two OH. So how you differentiate these two structure? This much part is common. When you look at both the structure, this much part is common. But here in the place of lone pair, it is double bonded O. So this is the method which I am telling to learn the structure very easily. So in the sulfuric acid, there is two double bond O here and two OH. But in the case of sulfurous acid, there are two OH and one double bond O, but there is one lone pair. So this is the structure of oxoacid. Let us discuss the structure of pyrosulfuric acid and peroxidized sulfuric acid, how we make easily. Once you learn the structure for sulfuric acid, we can easily make the structure for pyrosulfuric acid and peroxidized sulfuric acid. So we are discussing how easily you can make the structure of other two oxoacid of sulfur from sulfuric acid. So this is a structure for sulfuric acid. Make one more structure of sulfuric acid closer to this and just rearrange the bond in this way so that the two OH will come closer in the center. You can see the two OH are closer now. Now remove water from here. When the water is removed, that is H from here and OH from here is removed. Now what is remaining here after the removal of water? O is remaining. Now this structure is nothing but pyrosulfuric acid structure, which is commonly called as oleum. The formula for this is H2S2O7. Now you count the number of hydrogen. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. So two hydrogen, two sulfur, that is S2, and there are 7 oxygen. Count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 oxygen. So this structure is for the structure of oleum. So how easily we have framed the structure for oleum? Once we have learned the structure for sulfuric acid, that is, if you learn the structure for sulfuric acid, make one more structure. Just rearrange the bond in this way so that the 2H comes closer. Remove the water from here and the structure is ready. That is pyrosulfuric acid, which is commonly called as oleum. Now let us make the structure for peroxidized sulfuric acid in the same manner. Again we will be making the 2 sulfuric acid in this manner. Here 2 OH which is closer here. So remove the H from each like this. So now OO is there in the center and keep one bond between them. So this is called as a peroxo linkage. So the structure is the structure for peroxodisulfuric acid. The formula is H2S2O8. So you can see here there are 2 hydrogen, 2 sulfur, and total there are 8 oxygen. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygen here and 4 oxygen here. So that is the peroxodisulfuric acid. So in this way, how easily we have framed the structure, that is structure for sulfurous acid, pyrosulfuric acid, sulfuric acid, and peroxodisulfuric acid. Now why we need to learn the structures? Because it is important for the exam, because usually one of the structure will be given in the exam to make structure. That means the formula is given to you, you need to make the structure, or otherwise name will be given to you, you need to make the structure. So it is quite important to learn the structure of oxoacids of sulfur, because in the CBSE board examination most probably will be getting question on this area, that is a structure of oxoacid of sulfur. So this is all about the oxoacid of sulfur, where we have learned the method, that is the easier method to make the structure of different oxoacid of sulfur. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.